One of the ways of reducing R is to 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 increase the cross section of the wire, that cross sectional area of the wire. So cross sectional area of the wire, area of the wire. Now if I increase the cross sectional area of the wire, the resistance goes down, right? And if resistance goes down, the voltage sensitivity goes up, right? But here also you should be a bit careful, because if you increase the cross sectional area of the wire, now you will not be able to wind that much amount of wire on the soft iron core, right? So somehow correspondingly at times the number of turns also goes down. Okay, so and if that does not happen, and maybe we are able to kind of varnish it properly and mount it properly, then you may say that yes, to an extent, to an extent, increasing the cross-sectional area of the wire may reduce R, keeping the N same, because if somehow the N also goes down, then also it becomes deformed, right? So that may increase the voltage sensitivity. Fine.